never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we'll be replacing the spark plugs and ignition coil for this 2010 Toyota Corolla. So we have everything that we need over here. We have the spark plugs over here. We have the ratchet for these spark plugs. So you need this long ratchet. That's the way you can be able to take off the spark plugs. We have electric grease and we have a socket set over here. So easy process. We just need to take off this engine cover. We might need to take this panel off. If we don't need to, we will take it off, and then that's how we're going to be able to access the spark plugs. So let's go. So we're going to take off our engine cover. So here we have our spark plugs. The 4 ignition coils over here. The spark plugs are inside. We'll see if we can be able to take them off without needing to take this panel out. If we have to, we'll just take it off. Not a big deal. So yeah, let's take this off, and we'll have to take them off one by one. I got some error codes, misfire on random cylinders, so instead of just replacing one, I just figured it's easier to just replace all of them so I don't need to worry about them. So we'll start by taking these ignition coils off, and for this you need the 10mm and the socket set. And before I forget, you need to disconnect your battery so you don't short anything. So we'll just take this negative panel off. So with that off, we can move on to the ignition coils. So we'll pull this one out so we can be able to access this one, which is buried over here, or I can just pull this in back and plug it. Then before I take them off, I'm just gonna disconnect the connectors.
You got me hypnotized by the way you look at me. Yeah, baby, don't you like it? You know your body T. Yeah. You show me your pretty girlfriend. Who is she? Yeah, I'm just tryna know if you wanna be with me.
So all the ignition coils are out. Now we can be able to access the spark plugs. They're all the way inside. So this is what we'll use. If we can be able to access it, we'll just have to take off this panel. So we'll take off this panel. We'll first take it off over there. And then once we have this half part off, take this rubber panel off.
If you wanna be with me,
Take it out all the way.
you got me hypnotized by the way you look at me. You like you know your body T. You show me your pretty girlfriend. You should know if you wanna be with me.
So now we have this part that was blocking making it hard for us to access the spark plugs inside. So you need the 9/16 for the spark plug and your socket, and then we're gonna just put this thing all the way inside. The spark plug is, and then it's anti-clockwise, it's counterclockwise. So there we have the first one out. You can see how fried it was. Set it aside. Get the rest out.
said to me doesn't even make sense. I'm telling you, you have to feel the music if you wanna dance. I just wanna take you out and go to Essence, yeah, yeah. The way I feel your body, oh my god, me.
So we've managed to get all of them out, and you can see. Let's get the new ones and install them. So we have the new ones over here. Just take the spark plugs off. Just make sure it's the same size. I got this one over here. It is the same size. Up front it looks the same. It doesn't need any form of tuning. I think they come they're done, so we don't need to do anything over here in this space. I see some people trying to make it fit, but I think it's okay. I think it's pre-adjusted well enough. So we'll just start installing them, and we'll use the dielectric grease afterward when installing the ignition coil over here. So we'll just put the dielectric grease somewhere here so that it's easier next time when taking it off. So we'll get the first one, put it inside, and then insert it all the way in. Then we'll do the same thing to the rest.
The way you keep on looking at me, do you need a lens? I don't wanna feel like I'm the only one who cares. Baby, do you care? Baby, do you care? You got me hypnotized by the way you look at me, yeah. Baby, don't you lie, girl, you know your body T, yeah. You show me your...
So we'll get our coils, get some dielectric grease. So we'll put some of that dielectric grease inside here. Do the same for all of the ignition coils.
Pretty girlfriend, who is she? Yeah, I'm just trying to know if you wanna be with me.
So make sure you have the exact pin numbers. So you need to make sure you have the 4-pin ignition coil. And you can see the difference between the old and the new one. Nice. So lastly, what we need to do is just insert it all the way inside. Do the same for all of them. So now we have all of them installed. Next thing we just to tighten them up and then insert the electrical connectors, and with that we'll be done.
Be with me, you got me hypnotized by the way you look at me.
So we have all of them inserted. Just gonna insert the electrical connectors. Did you hear the click sound? 2, 3, 4. Easy procedure. If you want to get the spark plugs, I'm going to put the link for everything in the description, so check everything out. And as always, thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one. Ciao.